Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the step for how to transfer iMail mailboxes to Office 365. First of all, download now iMail Migrator. Use iMail Migrator and get these ultimate features. Import iMail to Office 365 with attachments. No Ipswitch mail server installation is required. Preserve on-disk system folder hierarchy. Perform selective iMail mailbox migration. Install and run iMail Migrator. More details check description. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Now click on Next. There are two options available, that is select folder or select file. To choose iMail mailbox folder or files. Now click on the select file option. Select the iMail file from the saved location. Now click on the select folder option. Select the iMail mailbox folder from the saved location. Now click on Next. Here, the tool shows all the folders from your iMail account. If you want to convert multiple users' iMail mailboxes, then click on the previous button and do that. Now check the I am converting multiple users option. You can also take help of Shift button to select multiple users' mailbox. Now click on Next. You can select desired folders for the conversion. The program keeps the folder hierarchy in the Office 365. Now click on Next. Saving option will help you to export the iMail mailbox into various email or file formats you require. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you multiple filter options that are useful for the task. The program gives you 25 plus saving options including Office 365, select Office 365 option. If you want to change the language of email folder instead of English, then choose it. Choose I am admin option in case of batch migration and enter Office 365 administrator account credentials. Enter the Office 365 account credentials. If you want to copy the output files to the default folder, check this box. Now click on Next. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Here you can buy and activate software. Click on OK. The software will create saving log.txt file containing converted emails from the total number of emails with folder's name. Go to Office 365. The program kept the folder hierarchy intact. Converted emails. Thank you for watching the video.